broke the law again. Heard this time he's going to the pen. Guess I didn't eat my lunch, 'cause I'm gonna miss him a whole bunch. Maybe he was out of line. That was still a pretty close friend of mine. Maybe he had hurt me bad. A brother is a brother, and that is that. Mama's in a mood this week. Thinks that her whole family's gone crazy. Guess it started with the baby. Leaned in for a hug and it bit her on the cheek. That was pretty funny to me, but I guess I should have some sympathy. I ain't never raised no kid, but I bet I'd be a good dad if I